Hi guys, good morning, afternoon, evening. It is Tuesday and we're going to start the day. I have an hour, 45 minutes before the market opens. So let's just take a peek and then I'm gonna go meditate, do a couple of things, and we'll come back to it after that. Let's see here. Okay. So we can see yesterday I got out about right here in my trades. I said I'm done. I don't want any more. I had a pretty decent idea that it was going to continue up, and it sure as heck did. So that's awesome. Let's see this daily chart. Oh, is it going to come up over here? I don't know why it always pulls to the other screen, but it's all good. Okay. Yeah, still continuing up. It's not going to be hard to get rid of the divergence potential here. All it has to do, these BBs equal this pivot, so it shouldn't be too difficult. There are some good areas along the way to pay attention to as this pulls up. I'm anticipating this to go down, give us some divergence, and then push up. But my anticipations may not be on point right now. Okay. Perfect. All right, we're going to watch as it pulls down to this spot and anticipate what's going to happen and see if it's going to continue down. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it didn't push through that bottom Bollinger Band, so paying attention to that and go ahead and taking the exit when it starts to pull back. Here I am. Ooh. There we go. I'm not going to move it straight to a break even just yet. I'm going to leave it right at this low. I'm going to go ahead and close out on this trade. Ooh, I want to give this one a shot. I'm going to actually set it here and see if it can grab me and get me right behind this bar. There we go. Slow things can make you question everything at times. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Showing just a little bit of divergence. So it's been trying to show reversal bars here. We're pulling really far away from the areas. We haven't had a super strong move to the upside here. And could this keep going? Absolutely. I could definitely see this pull back into the areas that held it up for quite a long time and continue up. But the reason I took it here is when we started to see a reversal bar here and the lower pivot. And we're seeing a reversal bar here, lots of distance. We are still outside. We're starting to get a little bit of a slowdown. Like I said, could definitely pull back and continue up. But, you know, I'm good with 3.75, 9 points for the day. 1 loser, 3 winners. We're going to call it that. So let's go ahead and look at, okay, so that wraps it up for me, y'all. I am done for the day. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is going to pull back further. It might not, but just looking at how much distance it has back to these EMAs. Oh, that's my 610. Ha, I don't trade off my 610 anymore. Yeah, okay. 233 is popping up off of here, off of the area. So yeah, maybe. That's part of the reason I don't trade the 610 anymore. We do have a small, it's just going to be hard to see this continue pushing up, especially because I have crap written all over my screen. But that's going to wrap it up, y'all. So hope everybody has a great Tuesday. It feels good to be able to go in and make the right decisions. Learning the material does not keep you making the right decision. A lot of it has to do with your mental side. You have to be open to learning. I mean, I'm open to learning something new every day. I was actually speaking to a student the other day that was talking to me, or not a student, but speaking to someone that that trades the other day that was telling me about his different, you know, he's using 5-10 contracts. Hi, Kim. And he is saying that whenever he trades, depending on how many contracts he uses, really helps him decide how big his risk should be. And he's using the major areas, which is great. Use those major areas, find them, work with them. But it's also great to be able to see those areas and to minimize them a little bit. So maybe that's something that we can work on together to help you just minimize those risks, by the way. But anyways, that is pretty much it. You just want to make sure that your head is clear, you're making good decisions. Yesterday was tough for me because I didn't feel great and my head wasn't clear. This morning I was tired again. I started off in the morning going, okay, this is going to be hunky-dory. I took a few sips of my coffee. I went to meditate and it was an hour nap. I don't know what's going on with me. I have just been really exhausted, but you know, sleep is necessary, super necessary. Okay. So without sleep, things could get really, really ugly around here. Not just for my trading, but for my family life. I would not be a very nice person. So, yeah, that's going to wrap it up, guys. I hope that everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. It does look as though it is continuing. Yes, it's definitely continuing up right now. Just continuing to give that push. So staying in could have been a definite option, but I was just ready. I was ready to be done. So hope everybody has a lovely Tuesday and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.